This Smart receives a set of new brake lines. Start your work by bringing the vehicle to a working height. Take off the maintenance flap and be sure to use fender covers. Undo the coolant expansion tank from its bracket. Then vacuum off the brake fluid. Remove the safety clamp at the master cylinder and remove this container. Seal the holes in the master cylinder with suitable plugs. Now the coolant expansion tank can be vacuumed and removed. Now the brake lines are accessible. Remove the spacer between the lines. For the next step, place a cloth underneath the lines. Undo and then disconnect the brake lines from the master cylinder. Close the connections quickly using matching sized plugs. Repeat the unscrewing and the closing of the connections to the hydraulic unit ESP. Start with the left line. Once the lines are completely undone, remove. Do the same with the right line. Here too, be sure not to forget the plugs. Here the old and the new brake lines. With the old brake lines, the brake circuit was connected MC1 to MC1 and MC2 to MC2. With the new brake line set, here on the right, the connections are reversed. For the installation, before insertion, thread the lines in one another as shown here. Remove the plugs and screw in the brake lines carefully, otherwise you could damage the thread. When everything is correct, tighten the union nuts with 14 Nm of torque. Attach the spacer back between the two lines and make sure that the lines are laid without contact and without tension. The remaining installation is done as usual in the reverse order. Finally, bleed the brake system and the job is complete.